Hello guys, welcome back to your knowledge kit. I hope you are having a good time. For those who are not well, don't lose hope. At least be thankful that you are alive despite all the challenges. In my previous videos, I shared with you how you can move to Germany for a volunteership visa. I gave you two websites where you can get information about the applications. So today I'm having a list of companies which are hiring where you can do your volunteership. I will be sharing with you the advantages of this volunteership works uh, and the process of application, and also these companies which are which are open. So guys, don't think how hard it is to apply or what you will do. Just do it and apply. If you need to move to Germany, try for the best to pass through these two websites, then choose your interest. Invest your time. You will thank me in the future. Consider to subscribe, like, comment and share if it is your first time to land on this channel. So we go direct to my computer. As you can see, I have a list of companies which are hiring. I will give you this PDF for those who need it. You will send me an email, then I will send you the whole document so that you can access it by yourself. Now, I will choose one of these company. Let me choose this one. This company will pass through it. Then you see the requirement and what you are expected to do and how you can go about it. First of all, what is your voluntary service at ACB? Will be helping those not always have to be a life's work. Sometimes a year is enough. Use your free time and get involved, for example, in a voluntary social year or federal voluntary service. These are two websites, this one and this one. I shared in my previous video. Now find about the possibilities for voluntary service at the ASB. Browse through this website, job markets, or contact one of our local contractors directly. We are happy to advise you and answer your questions. So guys, in the application process, you can always contact them, then they will advise you. Now, as you can see, there is job market for voluntary service. Voluntary service at this. These are different activities what you can do. You can where you can volunteer. You see that the people with disabilities, all the people, sport activities, etc. I think we will see all of them in details. Now let's go to voluntary social year. it will automatically go in English. These are the two websites I showed you. This is the first one, the second one. You want to use your time wisely and experience something new? Then there is a voluntary social year at the Alberta Samarita Bound, just right for you. With us, you can prepare yourself optimally for professional life, expand your skills, and get to know yourself in a complete new way. Find out now what options you can open FSG and what the prerequisites are. So here we check the available options and the requirements. Let's look at the advantages of this social year. First of all, there's active participation. With us, you will be involved from day one. So you will participate in different activities. There is a bridging the waiting period. You will receive FSG certificate for the recognition of practical periods for studies or training. So after the training, this period, you will receive a certificate which you can use even to do other activities or for looking for a job. There is also a pocket money. You will receive a monthly allowance. Also, there is network. You get to know many new people and can exchange ideas with like-minded people. Let's go to applications. Areas of applications at this website. The possibilities for a voluntary social year or federal voluntary service at the Alberta Samarita Bound are diverse. You can attend kindergarten as a school companion in primary schools, ambulance services, hospitals, elderly care, and many other areas engaged. We will be happy to advise you and help you find the right job site. Areas of application possibilities. This is what I said earlier. You will be involved. There are those which are available. There is care for elderly or nursing, care for people with disabilities. There is a first aid. There is a mobile social service. There is a child and youth welfare. There is ambulance and ambulance service. There is youth association work, refugee aid, multi-generation house. So I think as you can see, they are diverse. You can do, you will get something at least for yourself if you wish to volunteer. Now, you can choose in a regional association or in district. They always put their contact. There's email, there's a phone number, email, phone number. You can reach them, then write an email, tell them that you are interested in what they are doing and you wish to volunteer. Then you ask for information how you can go about it. Now we go to job market. Our job market, find a job for a FSG or BFD that suits your best. In our job market, there are many exciting offers, careers. Our local contacts will inform you about everything you need to know. So you will find one among these, then you write that you get information. You can also contact directly or you fill in this online form. We go to application process. Application tips for a voluntary service. Here you will find everything you need for a successful application for a voluntary year at the Alberta Samaritan Bound. We show how to get to your favorite job in 5 steps and what you need to know about applying. So now here there are 5 steps which you have to follow to reach your final application. So in the first step, you will choose your area, what you wish to do. First, find out which of the many different areas of application you are most interested in. I hope I showed you elderly care and nursing, ambulance, and security, different areas, first aid, etc. Now, areas of application, then we inquire in the overview. Go to the job market, browse through our current position for FG, then contact a person on our local carriers will be happy to advise you. So guys, don't panic. Always when you reach your interest area, you can contact them, then you ask more information. You tell them that you are interested in volunteering with them, then they will advise you what you have to do. The second step, you will contact us, you contact them. If you would like to apply for FSG or a BFD, you have 3 ways to get in touch with us. You will find what you are looking for in the job market and contact the job site. If you have not found anything in the job market, send us an inquiry via the online form. Get in touch with one of our contact person. I think they are saying the same as the first step. On the third step, it is the application. An application for FSG or BFD includes your CV with certificates and a cover letter that should answer the following questions. I think this is the most important stage, especially in writing this cover letter. You would include all of these topics. What interests you most about the area of application? What do you expect from your voluntary service? What do you want to learn in volunteering? What qualities do you bring to your FSG or BFD? So, in your cover letter, you will include your answer all of these questions. Step 4, it is an interview and observation day. After your application has been received, the career or the placement side will review your application and contact you. You will be invited to an interview if there is a suitable place. As a rule, you can spend a day in the area of your choice. Now, the last stage, after the interview, the decision will be made. You have received the confirmation on the placement side. Congratulations. Now it is a time to start. If you have other applications pending, please cancel them so other applicants also have a chance. So if you got your confirmation of the placement, it is better that you cancel the other applications because they are already competitive. There are many people who are applying, so you better cancel it to let other people get this chance. So I think this is the brief of what I wanted to share with you today. So you are always welcome in case you have any question to discuss with me. And also, if you need the PDF, you can always write to me. You send me an email to your knowledgekit@gmail.com. Then I will send you the full list of these companies. So guys, thank you once again. You can consider to subscribe to my channel and support it to grow. Thank you. See you in the next video.